It's 2 a.m., your database is on fire, you have this query running forever, production is down, your manager is asking for an update, and you're scrolling through Stack Overflow hoping someone else had this exact problem. I've been there, and I'm here to make sure you never feel that helpless again. Hey, I'm Giovanni Martinez, but you can call me Gio. For more than 10 years, I've been a database administrator working with PostgreSQL, MongoDB, SQL Server, MySQL, and Cassandra. Everything from managing small startups to enterprise-scale databases handling millions of transactions per day. In November 2025, I decided to build my portfolio and to share my knowledge with others. That's how I came with IQtoolkit suite. As part of that suite, I open sourced something called PGTools. More than 40 production-ready scripts for monitoring and troubleshooting PostgreSQL databases. Don't expect a response? Thousands of professionals on LinkedIn show interest in my repo. Dozens reach out directly to me with one common question. Can you show me how to use these scripts? So here's what we're going to do. This channel is going to be your war room. Practical, battle-tested database strategies you can use. Today, no fluff, no theory, just real problems and real solutions. But before we dive into scripts and queries, I want to tell you why I built this. Because understanding the why will help you understand where this channel is going and why you need to be here. 10 years ago, being a DBA meant one thing: keep the database running, backups, replication, tuning queries. That was our world. But something happened. Cloud happened. Kubernetes happened. AI happened. Suddenly, the lines started blurring, and DBAs were expected to know infrastructure as code. We had to understand Kubernetes stateful sets, and data engineers wanted us to optimize for analytic workflows. Database reliability engineers emerged as a new role. And now, AI is analyzing our queries and suggesting optimizations. The industry isn't just evolving, it's merging. The skills of a traditional DBA, a database reliability engineer, a database architect, and even data engineers, they're converging into something new. And here's the uncomfortable truth. If you don't expand your skill set, you're going to be left behind. I'm not saying you need to become an expert in everything, but you do need to understand how these worlds connect, how automation fits into your daily work, how to speak the language of DevOps teams, how to leverage AI without losing your job to it. That's why I built IQtoolkit. It started as my personal collection of scripts, things I use to save hours of manual work. But then I realized this can be bigger than just scripts. IQtoolkit is my vision for what modern database intelligence looks like. It combines battle-tested script, which can handle, I would dare say, 80% of daily DBA work. Automate analysis, that's what IQtoolkit Analyzer is for. And AI-powered recommendations that power from your specific environment. They will learn from your specific environment. And eventually, what I want to build is a full platform that makes you 10 times more effective. And I want you to build it together. And here comes this following point. This channel is about building a community of database professionals who aren't afraid to adapt, who see AI as a tool, not a threat, who automate the boring stuff so we can focus on the strategic work that actually matters. So, what can you expect from this channel? Three things. I'll break down specific database problems. So, the first thing you can expect is script deep dives. So, and when I break down these database problems, I'm going to show you the exact script to solve it. We're talking diagnosing slow queries in under 5 minutes, finding missing indexes, auditing permissions across all your clusters, detecting connection pull exhaustion before it crashes production. I'll show you not just what the script does, but why it works, when to use it, and how to customize it for your environment. Number 2, real-world troubleshooting. Here is where I need your help. I need you to send me your actual database problems, anonymized of course. I'm going to study them. I'm going to tell you how will I diagnose and how will I solve it. You'll see my entire thought process, where I look first, what are red flags I watch for, how I narrow down root causes, and the fix I implement step by step. This isn't theory. This is me doing the work I do every day, but with you watching over my shoulder. Just not too close, but you can watch over my shoulder. Number 3, career evolution. I'll share what I'm learning as I navigate this shifting landscape. Topics like, should I learn Kubernetes as a DBA? How to position as a database reliability engineer? Using AI tools without them replacing yourself. Because here's what nobody tells you. Technical skills get you the job, but understanding where the industry is going, that's what gets you the career. Look, I'm not going to pretend I have all the answers. I am figuring this out myself. The database world is changing faster than any of us expected. But here's what I do know. We are stronger together. Every script I share, every problem we solve, every discussion in the comments, that's us building something bigger than any one person. Over the next few months, you're going to see this channel evolve. We'll start with PostgreSQL and MongoDB fundamentals, then we'll get into the advanced stuff, AI integration, platform engineering, building database infrastructure that scale. I'm also working on something special, IQtoolkit Analyzer. It's an AI-powered tool that takes your database diagnostics to the next level. We'll be testing it together, improving it together. I want you to have a front row seat to building this thing. And yeah, I'm going to make mistakes. Videos might not be perfect at first. Audio might be wonky. But I promise you this. Every single video will have something actionable, something you can use immediately. So here's what I need from you. First, subscribe and hit the bell. I'm publishing tutorials often, plus several quick tips throughout the week. You don't want to miss them. Drop a comment right now and tell me, what's your biggest database challenge? PostgreSQL or MongoDB or both? What topic should I cover first? I read every comment. Your questions will literally shape the content of this channel. Third, head to the description I've linked. You're going to see the PG Tools GitHub repository. Grab the scripts. They're free. They're open source. My PostgreSQL troubleshooting checklist, free PDF with the top 10 issues I see and how to fix them. And my LinkedIn profile. Connect with me there. That's where I share my daily tips and industry insights. Here's the thing about being a DBA nowadays. We're not just database administrators anymore. We are database architects. We are reliability engineers. We are data strategists. And the DBAs who thrive, they're the ones who embrace devolution, to automate the mundane, who use AI as a force multiplier, and also build communities and share knowledge. So, welcome to devolution. Welcome to IQtoolkit. Let's build the future of database intelligence together.